Be the person employers want to hire or promote.
Hello there. In this video, we'll cover the first step of what it means to be culturally responsive, ask you to reflect on your own experiences, and give you action steps to put this skill into practice at work. When it comes to understanding another's culture, ethnicity, and language, there are a few terms you may hear. Culture refers to the beliefs, values, and thoughts of a racial, ethnic, religious, or social group. Cultural competence is the ability to effectively communicate and interact with people across cultures through positive behaviors, attitudes, and policies. We're going to focus today on cultural responsiveness, which recognizes that learning how to interact with individuals who have different cultural backgrounds from yours is a work in progress, and that's okay. A culturally responsive person has the openness to adapt to the cultural needs of others. In this increasingly global world of work, many organizations are hiring candidates from diverse backgrounds. You may have the opportunity to practice cultural responsiveness when you communicate with team members from your department or across departments, serve the needs of various clients or customers, or travel to new places in order to collaborate with international partners. Companies know a diverse workforce increases efficiency and productivity, since the mix of perspectives, or ways of looking at things, creates more opportunity for improvement. Even if you work for yourself or are self-employed, it is very likely you will interact with people from other cultural backgrounds who may have different values and traditions from you, in addition to languages and lived experiences. Cultural responsiveness is important because it means you are able to work with a broad range of people and you stay open to new ideas. It can even help you come up with creative ways to accomplish your work and solve problems. After we talk through developing a mindset that will help build your cultural responsiveness, we'll review the action steps to understand that viewpoints about work vary from culture to culture, which requires learning from others rather than insisting on one right way. Now think about a cultural encounter or a time that you experienced part of another culture you were unfamiliar with. Maybe someone was speaking a different language than you do, brought up a topic in a conversation in a way you weren't used to, or you were traveling and experienced a new type of food or drink. What was your first reaction? Did this reaction change as you had more time to get used to the differences? As you continue on in this skill series, the first thing you'll do is write about or discuss this past experience using a self-reflection guide. You'll be using the guide throughout this video series to keep track of your thoughts, to have a record of what you are learning, and help you with the final skill challenge. What is this challenge? Glad you asked. Every Essential Skills Program video series has a final skill challenge. You'll watch a series of short workplace scenario videos and answer a set of multiple choice questions for each video. This will let you apply things that you have learned in this training video to different settings, with the main goal of showing you understand that viewpoints about work vary from culture to culture, which requires learning from others rather than insisting on one right way. With enough correct answers, you'll earn your skill certificate. But don't worry if you don't get it on the first try. You'll be prompted to try the questions again, so you have another chance to get your certificate. These certificates are in the form of digital badges, which are online images representing your specific skills that contain embedded data to show an employer exactly what you have learned and how you learned it. The best part is, badges can be sent to any employer anywhere in the world, which increases your chances of getting hired or promoted.